Next thing we're going to do is do some carbon dioxide tests and see if that's present. So I'm going to do the first one, which is where I light the wood splint and I place it into or near the what's called the mouth of the test tube and see if there's any evidence of carbon dioxide. To me, it looks like there is. Extinguish the flame. I'll try it one more time. So here we go. And try not to get any of that burning into the actual test tube that will increase the mass. So to me, that's definitely showing carbon dioxide is possibly present. The next thing I'm going to do is do the universal indicator test, which is where if carbon dioxide is present, it will react with the water in the universal indicator and it'll turn red. So again, keep universal indicator away from your flame. Just take your Q-tip or whatever you're going to use. I just have it soaked in the universal indicator, which is green at this case to say neutral. I want to put that into the test tube and hopefully look for signs of change. I'm trying to keep my hand away from the heat also for safety's sake. And again, that definitely looks like I'm getting a color change towards the pH of 5. Let me go one more time and just see if I can get the pH to be even a little bit lower. Again, this is another positive test for carbon dioxide because carbon dioxide reacts with water to form carbonic acid.